What's happening, guys? Well, today I'm back out in Allegheny National Forest with Mr. Michael on his super sick Honda 250L. Man, he is fast on that thing. He's fast. Oh, I need to put my visor up. Can't see anything. I have no idea where we're at. Michael doesn't believe in stopping and looking at trail names, which is fine with me because I'm just having a blast, man. This is amazing country. I had no idea this was here, guys. So there you go. From our house in Slippery Rock to the parking lot there at the Marienville Trailhead, this is an hour and a half. Day pass is $10 and a yearly pass is $35. And I want to give a huge shout out to the folks at Forest Lodge just outside of Marienville. I called them yesterday to make sure I could get a day pass, and some lines got crossed and they sold it. They didn't have any more, and they were like so apologetic that they gave me a free shirt, and I bought a season pass. I mean, it's $35. It's like really not gonna kill me. Ugh, dust. $35 is not gonna kill me, especially for the state forest. You know, I would gladly make donations to the state forest. Those guys do amazing things in every state. Doesn't matter what state, I'll always make a donation to the state forest. Because then we have stuff like this, which is killer. Oh, it's so dusty I can't see. I need to wipe my glasses off. I'm getting that. If any of you wear glasses and ride dirt bikes, you know what I'm talking about. When you got to have your face shield up and then your glasses get dirty and then the sunlight shines on it. It's like driving in your car when you get the reflection off of the windshield, except for it's right on your face because your glasses are like 2 inches away from your face. It really sucks. There's an oil derrick there. I still prefer the face shield over goggles though, that's for sure. Because goggles you can't take off. Ooh. What's this? Another kind of trail? Should have hit third there. Yeah, nice little wheelie, nice little wheelie. wipe you guys off. Whoa. Thought we were going that way. Yeah. Oh, this is so much fun. I want to head back out to oh, what the heck's it called out by State College? You guys know what I'm talking about. The place I rode with Mr. Matt and Mr. John. Anyway, there. And ride some of the single track there. See, this is a testament to the lower elevation. I'm doing all this in second gear, whereas in Colorado, there's no way. I would have been, whoa, almost overshot that corner. It's like the lamest corners you always overshoot. There's never something tricky, what the heck? Always the lamest ones. But I would have been doing all that in first gear. But I mean, Xena just has so much extra power now, I can actually do it faster and easier in second gear. Oh, stand up, CDS fella. Whoops, whoops! Gotta hit the whoops! Ooh, that's sketchy. Nice big smooth pipe sticking out right there for you to slide around on. Oh, probably should still be standing. Love that sound now. Ow! Mr. Mike, you just got me. We were just talking about that. Luckily it was just a little pebble, but man, you almost took my nipple off right there.